how to deactivate Facebook account. Now, in order for you to deactivate your Facebook account, all you have to do is to go to these three lines on the upper corner and then click on the settings on the upper corner of the menu. Now, all you have to do is to go to your account center and scroll down until you see personal details right here. Now, all you have to do is to tap on account ownership and control right here and click on deactivation or deletion right here. Now, you just have to type your Facebook account and you are given an option whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. Deactivating your account is a temporary progress. So if you want to push through with it, all you have to do is to hit continue and type in your password. After you type in your password, all you have to do is to hit continue. After you hit continue, you will be able to see that there is a grace period of 1 month to fully deactivate your Facebook account. After that 1 month period, your account will permanently be deactivated and you can't really access that anymore. So that's how to deactivate Facebook account. Hope we help.